Hello children, I hope you are doing well in your studies. Children, today we have to discuss about barter system and its difficulties. Children, firstly we know about the barter system definition. One commodity was directly exchanged for another commodity. Here we are without using money. It means buying goods with goods. This system is known as barter system. As a consequence, they use it to exchange commodities among themselves. For instance, a producer of paddy used it to exchange paddy with clothes from the producer of clothes. Children, observe here paddy producer exchanging his good to cloth producer. Cloth producer also exchanging happily his good to paddy producer. This barter system was in vogue prior to the introduction of money. Few of examples in barter system. Children observe here fruits are exchanged. In another picture, fish and one bag is exchanged. In another picture, cock with fruits. Children clearly observe now difficulties of the barter system. This system was beset with several difficulties. In this we are observe few of difficulties. First difficulty is lack of coincidence of wants. Students, rice producer want to exchange with wheat, but wheat producer want to exchange with pulses. This is the coincidence of want. Second difficulty is lack of store of value. Some commodities are perishable. They perish within a short time. It was not possible to store the value of such commodities in their original form under the barter system. Children, I took example here vegetable seller. He is unhappy because his goods are perishable in a week days only. The third difficulty, lack of divisibility of commodities. Depending upon its quantity and value, it may become necessary to divide a commodity into small units and exchange one or more units for other commodity. But all commodities are not divisible. Fourth difficulty, lack of common measure of value. Under the barter system, there was no common measure of value to make exchange possible. It was necessary to determine the value of every commodity in terms of every other commodity. See in this our example, maybe fishes are valuable than fruits. Children, up to now you understand four difficulties. One more difficulty is difficulty in making deferred payments. Under the barter system, future payment for present transactions was not possible because future exchange involved some difficulties. For example, suppose it was agreed to sell specific quantity of rice in exchange for a goat on a future date, keeping in view the present value of the goat maybe decreases or increases. Children, now we are summing up the difficulties in barter system. May be enumerated as here under. First difficulty is lack of coincidence of wants. Second difficulty is lack of store of value. Third difficulty, lack of divisibility of commodities. Fourth difficulty, lack of common measure of value. Fifth difficulty is difficulty in making deferred payments, means future payments. Thank you, children.